Hi, welcome to your fourth lecture in this course. And in this lecture, I'm going to talk about functions and modules. Now, if you remember me saying the word function in my previous lecture, what I mean is that a function is a set of instructions which are already pre-written and that can be used again and again within the program and without having to specify each and every instruction again. And this makes the programmer's life easy. Now, the function can be predefined by the package or it can also be user defined, which means the programmer can specify the function name and also the set of instructions. With that said, let's get started. So first off, if you remember the way we calculated the exponents and powers of a number, we did it by using two asterisks and the power. Well, you can also do this by using a function, and for this we have a function called POW, and you need to send the parameters to solve the problem. Well, the parameters is a piece of information that is used by the function to solve the problem, and this function needs two parameters. One is base and then the power, and that gives the answer same. Well, so that's more about what is a function. Now let's see what is a module. Now module is also called as a library. This library contains a set of different functions which can be used by the programmer. Now to use the library or use the function within the library, you need to import the module, and for that you're going to use the command import. So just write import and then the library name. And for this example, let's take a look at the math library. So just write import math, then press enter. So now that you have imported the math module, you can use all the functions which are within this module. For example, if you want to calculate the square root of certain number, just type math and enter a period and then start typing this function name. So that gives you 9. So square root of 81 is 9. Now remember, if you're using a function within a library, you need to specify the library and then you need to enter the period so that you know different functions within the library. So these are the functions which are already there within this library. You can also use factorial, then type 5. So factorial of 5 is 120. So this is how you use modules and functions. So now that you've understood what is variable functions and everything else, let's take a look at how you can start writing your program and saving it to a file in our next lecture.